Chinelas ko lang. That. Get home. May sipon ng lola niya. Tulog sila.
What?
Grocery haul. What is this? Dim sum?
Juice. You want juice
Dim
as
sum,
well?
yummy.
Yeah, because we ran out of juice. Don't
Get some lechon, manok, grapes. Don't finish all the sushi, ha? You have lunch tomorrow. Stay for.
Mommy just told me.
Stay for salad, juice. We call this bell pepper, but they call this here, it's capsicum. It's different. Bell pepper, but capsicum. We have sugar, just a light grocery today. Snacks, Logan snacks, and raspberry. We have juice. I get the
You know what?
classic.
Y-O-B comes out
Then
of
this
their
one,
business.
Bluey! Nako! Popcorn. 4 orange. Ay, 5 pala kasi we are sick. Another. Oh, you just cooking your noodles? And then some. So that's it, guys.
One orange.
Okay.
Yes, we do. This is mandarin.
Hindi siya orange. In the Philippines, we call this, when we saw this orange, general. Or can you give for Logan too as well? Huh?
Yay, juice! Mommy got juice. Logan, I got 3.
Masakit ang aking ulo, guys. Kasi sa sobrang, may sipon at ubo. You don't want more, Dad?